Hey fellas! Today, we're going to create some cool ads for the service industry using QuickAds.ai. Let's get started. We'll be using Capgemini for this example. Here we have the primary, secondary, and tertiary colors of the brand. You can also check out the industry and product type right here. Now, let's select the ad size. I'm going with the Facebook post size. Next, we need to choose an image for the ad. I'll be using this one. Check it out. What a beautiful creative we've got. There are multiple options to select from, so let's take a look. After making a few tweaks, it's perfect. Now, all that's left to do is download it.